Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can easily embed Facebook feed in WordPress with like, follow and scrolling feature. Okay, let's start. For this work, firstly we need to install a plugin. So I am going to my plugin section. After that I am clicking on add new plugin and here I am searching with WP Code Lite. So this is the plugin. Install now. Activate the plugin. This plugin already installed here. Now I want to embed postuploader.com Facebook page feed on my WordPress blog. For that, I have to visit a Facebook page. That page name is page plugin. So if you visit this URL developer.facebook.com/docs/plugins/page plugin. As I want to embed this Facebook page, I have to copy this page URL. After that, here you will get an option to paste your page URL. So I am removing the default page URL from here and I am pasting my page URL here. And in the right side, they have an option what you want to embed. As I want to embed my Facebook timeline, so I have selected timeline here, or you can just write here timeline. That's all. If I want to get the width and height as my expectation, I am writing here like 750 width and height would be 500 pixel. So as a sample I gave these things, and in future if I need to customize it I can do it from my website backend. I don't need to come here again. I am clicking on get code. After that, here has a two steps. Number one step and number two step. First step, I need to copy this code and I have to place this code ideally right after the opening body tag. So I am going to copy this tag and I am going my website, and already which plugin I installed, that WP code plugin, I am clicking on code snippet. After that, in the left side, you will get option like header and footer under code snippet. So I am clicking on header and footer. As I need to add that code opening body tag, so I am adding it on body and save changes. So our first part is done. Step 1 is done. Now come to the step 2. In this step, I need to copy this code and I have to add this code where I want to display my Facebook page or profile feed with timeline scrolling. I am copying this code and going to my website dashboard. After that, I am going to all post section, and here I am going to open this post in Gutenberg block editor. After that, I want to embed my page feed here below health benefit of orange. So I am clicking on add block. After that, search here with custom HTML. This is the custom HTML block. Select it and paste your that code which one you already copied from the Facebook plugin. If you wish, you can customize width and height from here. Just change the value of like 750 is current width. If you wish, you can make it smaller, like 500, and if you wish, you can make it bigger, so it's not a problem. Okay, I'm making the zoom and I'm showing you. Right now it's with 750. If I wish, I can make it 400, and height, if I wish, I can make it 600. That's all. You can customize width and height by changing this value. So save, view post. You see, your Facebook timeline is displaying after health benefit of orange, and you can follow the page from here. You can like your post, you can make a comment clicking here, even you can share your Facebook post also. Right now my page feed is displaying align left. I want to make it align center. For this, I am going to my blog post section, and before that code I am writing center opening tag, and end of that code I am writing center closing tag, and save. You see, right now it's already on center, but I think my that feed embedding is very close to my text, so I need to give a line break. So after the code I am adding a line break here, save, and give a refresh here, and you see now here has a good space between the Facebook feed and the text, and it looks perfect. And this is the way to embed Facebook page on WordPress with the current feed and timeline scrolling option. If you want to embed your profile, for example, this is my profile, just copy this profile link and go the Facebook plugin page, this page, and paste your profile URL here, and you see my profile embedding is working here. Now question, if I want to embed these things on classic editor, how I can do it? So I am going to delete these things from here and save, and I will embed my Facebook profile from classic editor. So I'm going to all post section. After that, I am going to open same post in classic editor. So post already opened in classic editor. Now come to the Facebook plugin section where I already pasted my profile URL, and I want to embed that one. So click on get code, and for the first step, I already pasted these things on my opening body tag. So I just need to put it once. But second step, I have to copy and paste it where I want to display. So first step already done previously. So just I need to copy. Second step, now I am going to my website classic editor section. After that, I have to come to the right side. Right now I am on visual section. I have to click on text section. I will put that code below this headline. So I am clicking on text, and I want to paste it here. And as already I know, if I want to make it center, I have to write center tag before the code, and after the code I have to give center closing tag and update. Now click on view post. You see here my Facebook profile timeline is displaying, and I can scroll, I can like, comment, share, everything I can do from here. I can follow Facebook profile also from here. So that's the way. It's very simple. I think after watching this video you are very clear, and easily you can do these things. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.